Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to recover Litmatch account. For that, make sure you get the application. Now you will be led to this kind of page, and at the top right, you can see the option login failed. You need to tap on that. And here you can see various options. You need to tap on forget account. Now here at the bottom, you can see report my problem option. You can simply tap on that. Now this kind of page will appear where you need to fill down here all the informations. After you are done filling your information, you need to also upload the evidence screenshot. In order to upload it, you can simply tap on that album icon, and there you can choose from your library or either take the photo directly. After that, all you need to do is tap on submit. Now just wait for the email to come, and there they will be guiding you step by step on how you can recover your Litmatch account. You can follow it accordingly and your Litmatch account will be recovered. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.